Oh, welcome to another video, my gift to you. Now in this tutorial we're going to be learning how to make lists. I know, pretty epic. Okay, let's begin, no hesitation. First, we're just gonna set everything up and replicate the storage. We get the fan mode link in the description. By the way, sorry guys if this is a little bit laggy. My Wi-Fi has been killing itself recently. Okay, after we get the fan mode, we get the remote event. I'm gonna call that move activated. Then we get a script and service script serviced, and a local script and starter player and starter park. Now in the local script we reference some things. And now we're done referencing rep, fan mode, and remote. What we're gonna do now is just fire the remote when the player clicks a button, and all we need to do is this. The first parameter is the letter that we want clicked, the key. The second parameter is cooldown, oh, it's right up here. And the third parameter is just function. The function fired when E is pressed. And now we are literally done with everything for the local script. Not gonna touch it again, we're moving on to the server script. Now just copy and paste the first 3 lines from the local script into the server script. And then copy along. Okay, next thing we want to do is just make the player move quickly. So I'm just making the player move 3 times as fast as their regular speed. And next we're just gonna create the after image. First we clone the character. And just to clear up any confusion, the reason I'm making achievable true is so a chalk can be cloned. If it's not true, then the character cannot be cloned, and it's automatically false to prevent hacks and stuff. Now what we're gonna do is just make the after image just phase out in 0.5 seconds. Okay, for this, the face usually shows when we're trying to be completely invisible, so I'm just gonna tween it to 1. And if you have accessories, it would still show because it's not a base part, so we're also gonna tween accessories. Okay, so we've completely tweened the accessories now. The clone has been summoned and then it phases out, it vanishes in 0.5 seconds. But a problem I ran across was that we kept the parts of the character where was can collide, right? We could still hit it. And when I tried to uncan collide them, make can collide false, it didn't work because it had a humanoid. But when I deleted the humanoid, like the skin, everything was completely gone. So I found a way to run around that problem by using collision groups. So what we're gonna do is just create a collision group, put the clone in that collision group, and make that collision group in default not be able to touch each other. now that glitch where it keeps hitting itself is completely fixed. Okay, what we're gonna do next is just make the actual player completely invisible. Now we've made our player completely invisible. After 0.2 seconds, the dash is going to be over. Now we want to do two things: make our player visible and make the humanoid speed normal again. And after that, we are done. And watch this, guys, just literally copy and paste. No way. Set everything to 0. Wait, one more thing, and V. And we're just gonna add this, because the humanoid root pod is transparent anyways. So this doesn't cause any glitches. And next we're just gonna make the humanoid walk normally again, and guys, we are done. Now, as always, nothing ever works in the first try, so let's test it out. Okay, there is one glitch. The exact thing I was talking about. The humanoid root pod being visible again. Now, I'm thinking I just didn't spell it correctly. And V not equal. And V that name, of course. Did you guys catch that? Just do V dot name, and it should work now. And like that, you see, it works. Thank you for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed and hope this helped you even a little bit. Have an awesome day. See you in the next one. Bye.